Hello, this is a tutorial for Money Tracker for Android, for Android devices. So we're just going to go through here real quickly, give you a heads up about some of the GUI stuff and some of the functionality, and show you what's going on. All right. So at the top there, we have a couple of buttons there. On the very left, it's a green button. You press that. That actually adds an item to the list. And I'll go over the details about that enter purchase list here in just a second. To the right of that, we have a red button that's a trash can. You click that, and it deletes the last item on the list. To the right of that is a nuke button in yellow. You just click that, and that empties the entire list. It gives you a confirmation window there, and you can either OK that or cancel that. Please be sure that you want to cancel that when you actually do, because that'll delete everything, so be careful. At the bottom, we have a total label that gives a grand total of everything that's on the list, and to the right of that, we have an item count that tells you how many items are on the list. So the list itself is scrollable. You can add things to it, as many as you want. Scroll it up and down. This is what the list looks like when it's full. Of course, when you start up the app, you will not see this. When you start the app, your list will be empty, and it'll look like this. So please don't be alarmed. The list is blank. You have to actually add things to it. But I've pre-added some stuff here just for the sake of a demo. So after you add things into it, it'll look like this. We're going to go over a couple things. So you click something on the list, do a long click, and you can actually edit the name, which is what you see here. The name is being edited. You'll click OK, and the changes will be affected real time when you click OK. Long clicking is simply pressing down on the label and holding it down for a couple seconds or so. That's defined as a long click. And of course, you can edit that and do whatever you want to. By default, when you add something, it'll be a timestamp of the current day, so you can easily change that at your discretion. The next example is a short click, so you can short click any of the items on the list, and that'll actually take you to the inner purchase list here. So we're going to short click one of these guys and show you the inner list. And as you can see, a short click on Johnny's graduation shows you what's going on there. Now you can click any item on that list, inner list, and edit the name and edit the price. So we're going to do an example of that. So you'll simply click into the label there and edit the name, and then click into the price there and edit that accordingly. And each one of those things is updated real time. Even the price is updated real time. As soon as you hit OK, the grand total or the subtotal for that particular list is shown there. So you can hit add as well, and you can actually add an item to the list, which is what you see here. You simply choose a name. In this instance, we're gonna do card, since it's in the theme of graduation, and we're going to do a price. And when you add, that's also going to be reflected on the list in real time, and it's going to be updated on Johnny's graduation. You see that price did update from before. So that's basically it. This is very streamlined. It's a very simple app to use. The point of this app was to do something that didn't have a lot of ads, didn't have too much functionality, and did not require internet connection. So if you're looking for a simple way to pull something out at a retail location real quickly to just keep track of your current purchases, you can do that and not have to fool around with a bunch of buttons and a bunch of ads. So that's it. I hope you enjoy the app, and thank you for watching. Thanks.